Recently, my car got in an accident. I was renting it out on Turo, and also I happen to work in a repair shop, so I thought I'd be pretty qualified to help you guys out with some tips on getting your car in and out of the repair shop as fast as possible, get it back on the rental market, making you money as fast as you possibly can. So enjoy the rest of the video. So when you get in your car in an accident on Turo, the worst part of it is that you're losing out on the income that you would be making while the car is being rented, because you can't rent it out while it's getting repaired. If it's a very minor accident, the car is still safe to drive. I would just recommend renting it out until you can get it into the shop. Maybe put the photo in the ad, give a little discount so you can still make money on it, like if it's just a cracked bumper or something like that. But the Facebook group on Turo, they gave me advice. They said, what happens when you get in an accident? The claim will be filed. Turo will send you an email right away about the claim. Before they, the next email they send will be sending you the estimate, the repair estimate from Snapsheet, and then they'll send you, they'll basically pay you. They pay you directly, not the repair shop. And I was told before Turo gets back to me with the estimate and the payment to just go ahead, get my car into a shop, get an estimate, and then forward that estimate to Turo. They said that helps speed it up. I don't know if that's true or not, but I did that and Turo paid me out, I think, the next day. It only took a day or two. It was very quick. So the biggest part of the wait time getting your car be repaired could be just waiting for the shop to actually get it in and do the repairs on it. Because a lot of shops are going to be booked up for a week or 2 weeks or even a month or more before they can actually repair your car. So the next piece of advice I would give, call up a bunch of different body shops and just ask them, what's the soonest you can get my car in and start working on it? Go to the one with the shortest wait time. And then, like I said before, just bring your car there right away. Get an estimate before Turo even pays you. And if you have cash on hand, because part of the wait time is going to be for the shop, they might have to order parts. Sometimes those parts can take like 3 days or even longer if they're not really simple parts. If they're kind of weird parts, they have to get from the dealer or something. So what I would do is bring my car into the shop and I'd tell them, hey, can you order all the parts for me right away now so they're ready? And I'll give them a deposit. If I had the cash without getting paid from Turo first, just give them a deposit. You know Turo is going to pay you for it. So just give them a partial deposit, like just for the parts. Say, hey, can you order the parts right now? That'll speed it up because it'll probably take a few days before they can start working on your car. So in that time when they're waiting, they can order the parts. And normally they wouldn't order those parts if you don't pay them first, and they're not going to want you to leave their car there if they're booked because they have limited amount of parking space and they don't have your car in collateral. But if you give them that deposit up front, they can go ahead and order those parts and not have to worry about losing money. And then the next thing I would do, so Turo is going to give you an initial estimate. It's probably going to be low, and the shop might find other stuff wrong with the car, and they're gonna have to request more money from the insurance company. This is called the supplement. It's normal, don't worry about that. It's up to the shop to get the rest of the money. They'll contact Turo directly and ask for the supplement. So another thing I would do is be like, hey, if you need to get a supplement, can you start that process right now with Turo? Because that can take some time to wait. You know, it could take Turo a couple days to get back to the shop, or they could go back and forth trying to agree on what's covered before the repairs get started. So when you get your car in there right away, get the estimate, give them a deposit, get the parts ordered, if they can contact Turo right away in that first day, start getting the supplement in, and then you can get that money quicker too. That'll make it so you're not waiting for the supplement process for them to communicate back and forth. And they're probably gonna ask for the supplement before they start the repairs on your car too. So that's more wait time. So you wanna get them to start that supplement right away. Just, you know, let the shop know too that this is a rental car, that you're losing out on income, that you really wanna get this done as quickly as possible. And if you do those 3 things, it'll start earning for you as quickly as possible. And one thing I would recommend though is, like I said, you can pay that deposit up front out of your own pocket, but make sure that you don't pay the supplement part of it out of your own pocket, because like I said, it's up to the shop to contact the insurance company, and the insurance company is going to pay you, and then you're going to pay the shop. But say you pay them the full amount and then you take your car and go, like the repair shop's already been paid, so they're not going to have an incentive to really contact Turo and get the most amount of money for that supplement. And chances are Turo's going to pay them for the supplement at less than the shop would initially charge you anyway, because the insurance company's kind of lowball. They don't really give the repair shops as much money as they really deserve. So just take those 3 tips there. Just go and get the estimate right away, forward it to Turo, and then get a deposit, get your parts ordered right away, and then get them contacting Turo about the supplement right away. And if you know, if you can, if the shop can maybe start taking your car apart a little bit, 'cause sometimes they have to take stuff apart, really look into it for them to figure out what else needs to be repaired and get to the supplement. So as long as but if you get them to do all that stuff as quickly as possible, it'll you know, get you making more money. If you like this video, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. I'm gonna have more Turo videos to come. I just have 1 car right now. My goal is to get 5 by the end of the year. I'm gonna make some videos on how to get good deals, buying cars on Turo on Craigslist. I have a in the process of making an online course on how to buy and sell cars for profit. I'm actually giving away lifetime memberships to that for free right now, so if you're interested, just look for that video on my channel. There's an email, you can email me about it, get a free lifetime membership to this course that I put a ton of work into. Thanks for watching.